If you are trying to lose a guy in 10 days, this is not the video for you. However, if you're trying to lose your love handles in 10 minutes, then I have you covered, my friend. I'm Coach Greg with Svelte Training. Today, we're gonna tighten and tone our core. It's gonna be amazing, so let's get started. We're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating these core losing love handle workout or exercises, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them. It's gonna be fun, so let's get started with our first set. We're gonna start right off the bat with some standing side bends. Now, you can do this in a bunch of different variations. I'm gonna just do this type, but if you want, you can just reach over each time, whatever you feel comfortable with. Here we go, 30 seconds, and let's go. So really stand feet shoulder width apart or further, and all we're doing is reaching from one side, seeing how far we can go. You're gonna feel the stretch here, we're gonna feel the crunch here, and then going to the opposite side. Now, if you have some dumbbells and you prefer, you can do that with those. Gravity definitely helps in these type of situations. After each side, try to stand right back up, and try not to like lean over this way. Try to see if you can stay on that angle or on that plane, straight, just like that. Couple more, right back up. 3, 2, 1 more, and done. Great job. Moving right along, we have squat to oblique crunches. This is gonna be fun. Now we're gonna be activating everything. I like to have my feet little 45-degree angles. You'll see why in a minute. Shoulder width or a little beyond is up to you. Here we go. Hands behind your head, and let's do it. So we're gonna go down to a squat, and as we come up, we're gonna bring a knee up. Bam, elbow to knee. Don't, ow, that kind of hurt. Don't do that. Just like that. This is why I like to have my feet a little more, because if it's a little straight, it's harder to kind of get in there for me. So here you go, just go up, squat, crunch, squat, crunch. Try to see if you can get that knee to come up from the side, because we're really trying to focus right here, just like that. You can add 2 if you'd like. You could just do 1 and down, whatever you prefer. 1 more each side, and done. Exercise number 3, we have lunge twist. We're getting fun. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. I like to step back into a lunge, have my hands here. I'm twisting to one side and then the other while I keep my balance. Go right back up, and here we go. If you need to hold on to something, feel free. You don't need to do a huge lunge, just enough to get down. We're really trying to twist. This is what we're trying to get after. Here it is. Great job. Couple more seconds. You're doing fabulous. And done. Last but not least, we have hip openers. This is a good one. 3, 2, and 1. Open up those hips. This is almost more of like a recovery stretch, but this helps strengthen, loosen up the abductors right over here. And while we can't technically spot reduce fat in certain areas, like we can't target, like I'm gonna only target love handles. However, doing exercise like this gives you a strong, stable base, which allows your other exercises to go easier, which causes a snowball effect. You'll end down slimming down your whole body. It's gonna feel great. I'm like, oh my gosh, you look so amazing. I mean, you already do. You're beautiful to me. But I'm here to support you on any healthy goals you have. All right, couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. There you have it. That's your first set. We are losing these love handles, baby. Grab some water, and we'll get started with set number 2. All right, you know what you're doing. Here we go. Let's get started. Set number 2, right now. Standing side bends in 3, 2, and 1. Feel like a penguin. All right, squat 2 crunches in 3, 2, and 1. Lunge twists in 3, 2, and 1. Hip openers, 3, 2, let's go. Great job. Second set done. Water time, or your beverage of choice. We'll get started with set number 3. All right, you know what to do. Here we go. Set number 3, starting now. Standing side bends in 3, 2, and 1. All right, squat 2 crunches in 3, 2, and 1. Lunge twists in 3, 2, and 1. Hip openers, 3, 2, let's go. There you have it. That is how you lose your love handles in under 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Hope you feel nice and toned and feel ready to conquer your day, because I know I am. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next videos, my friends. Stay strong. Peace.